Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport, and sitting next to me is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350. And if you watched my most recent Mercedes-Benz video featuring the 2021 GLA 250, I talked about what was new with that particular model, showed you how to use a lot of features. And if you want to watch that full video, it's linked down in the description of this video. But there was one important thing that I forgot. I left it out. It's one of those things that happen when you're doing this stuff all by yourself. Sometimes you just forget things. I guess that's a lesson learned. So what was it I left out? It was how to use augmented reality. And any Mercedes model that has the new MBUX system is going to have this feature. So let's hop inside and I'll show you how to get to it, and then we'll get out on the road and I'll show you how it works. In my video with the 2021 GLA 250, I talked about how you have the same exact features or similar features to what happens when you say, "Hey Alexa" or "Hey Siri." Here with Mercedes, you do the exact same thing. So let's use that command to access augmented reality. Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Give me directions to 8961 Uri Drive, Shreveport, Louisiana.
Do you want to start route guidance or modify the current route guidance? The destination 8961 Uri Drive, Shreveport, Louisiana has been inserted in position 1. Let's go. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then immediately turn left.
And then as you can see on the screen, you're basically going to be able to follow the directions, and the camera at different points will give you the actual view of what is around you, including the street signs and what street you're on. And it's not that you're necessarily supposed to stare at the screen, don't do that, but it will give you good information so you know what's going on around you and have a virtual view of what's going on in front of you with the vehicle. Kind of just an interesting feature, a cool feature, something we're going to likely see a lot more of in the future with other vehicles, but it's available here on these Mercedes vehicles with the MBUX system, and something that you definitely will want to take advantage of. And I know for different people it's going to be different situations. I know for me personally, I don't need this kind of thing driving around where I live, but if I go out of town, obviously it would be super helpful. And that is how easy it is to use augmented reality on properly equipped Mercedes vehicles. If you've enjoyed this video today, guys, and you want to see more of these tutorial style videos real quick and to the point instead of my in-depth videos where I talk about the interior and exterior and all that kind of stuff, tell me down in the comments and I'll make more of these for all of you. Again, I appreciate my friends here at Mercedes-Benz of Shreveport, and of course, each and every one of you for being kind enough to take the time to watch. I will see you in my next video.